Hello everyone, what you're about to hear in this video is backed by expert mechanics working here in the shop with me, so relax, we're going to figure this out. If your Nissan displays the well-known AWD error message, the first thing that crosses your mind is that something big and expensive has failed. But mechanics see these cases every day, and the story is usually far less dramatic. Most of the time, the all-wheel drive system isn't actually damaged. It simply detected something unusual in the signals it receives and, as a safety precaution, shuts itself off until everything returns to normal. And here's where it gets interesting. Many cases are linked to something as basic as the battery. Yes, something that simple can trigger the message. When the battery is weak, electronic modules start receiving unstable voltage, and the AWD system becomes sensitive. Several customers have reported that after replacing the battery or cleaning corroded terminals, the error disappeared as if nothing had happened. This ties into another key detail. After disconnecting the battery or when the vehicle loses power, the system may need a small reset or the codes cleared with a scanner to fully return to normal. If the issue isn't electrical, many mechanics immediately look at the wheel speed sensors. The AWD system depends on them to know what each wheel is doing in real time. If one fails, gets dirty, or has a loose connector, the system receives inconsistent data and protects itself by shutting down. There are plenty of stories of people simply cleaning a mud-covered sensor or replacing a faulty one and solving the problem without touching anything else. And speaking of mud, snow, or dirt, that plays a big role too. When driving in harsh conditions, sensors can get packed with debris and send abnormal readings. The system interprets that as a fault and triggers the message. After a thorough cleaning around the wheel area, many drivers report that AWD reactivated on its own. Now, it's not always just sensors. Some cases are related to tire differences, uneven tire pressure, significantly different tread wear between axles, or even mismatched tires front and rear. The system detects that the wheels aren't rotating at the expected rate and disables AWD. Equalizing tire pressures or replacing excessively worn tires has been enough to make the message disappear. In less common situations, there can indeed be a more serious issue, such as a problem with the differential or another mechanical component in the system. However, based on this shop's experience, that's not the usual scenario. Most of the time, an AWD error ends up being an electrical issue, a sensor problem, or basic maintenance.